My name's Paul Smith. I'm a director of Retro Moto Co. We're here to service all your classic and modern motorcycles. The business started through another shop we used to work for. I started in motorcycles with a company called 66 Motorcycles. I worked for them for about 3 or 4 years, and at that stage we decided to basically start up our own classic bike shop.
I'm Ollie. I work with Retro Moto Co in basically managing all the online stuff, Facebook, websites, doing events, and just whatever else needs to be done while the boys are at the back, sort of building stuff.
Our services include doing just general, minor, major services. We specialise in the early Japanese section, Yamaha, Kawasaki's, Hondas, anything with a carburetor. But we do a lot of European bikes, Ducatis, Moto Guzzi's, Libertas. The bikes that we work on are pretty much all the classic race bikes.
We get a broad spectrum of everything down through here. Got guys that have been riding 50 years with cool classic bikes, just getting into motorcycling with big aspirations and dreams for their bikes, and everything in between. Modern bikes, classic bikes, everything.
Bike racing is something that kicked off with me in my early 30s. My grandfather raced bikes with the historic motorcycle club, and he had a CB350. Being part of the club over the years, I've just been asked advice at the track. People have dropped bikes off for me to get race prepped. I've been fairly successful in my racing. It's what I do every day. So I know my way around them, and I know how to make them go fast.
Trying to keep these things on the road is sort of our priority, and it's fun to do. Sometimes it's really hard to do, trying to find parts for them, but yeah, it's a passion that we all enjoy. Everyone down here at Retro Moto Co is into it. The motorcycle community, like for guys, it's an escapism, I suppose, to a certain point, and it helps. You just jump on the bike and you're in your moment with yourself. You're in your helmet, nothing else worries you. You're just riding. And it's just sort of therapeutic just to ride a motorbike.
Motorcycle riders, we're a bit of a special breed. We ride for lots of different reasons, but one of it is to be social. Gets you out of the house, gets you on the road, talk to like-minded people. As a mental health thing, it's really good. So having these little events and having people to look forward to these events where they get to catch up people that they know and also meet new friends is always an important part of the community.
The best thing is getting to work with all the customers that we have around here and all the cool motorbikes, because motorcycles is sort of a passion of mine as well, so getting to be hanging around bikes and working on them and meeting all the people that are involved in the scene is really good fun.
When people see the name, see Retro Moto come up in their Facebook feed or stumble across us on Google, I want people to recognise the name and understand that it's a comfortable place to come and talk to us about problems and issues, and also leave their bike with us with trust. Retro Moto has a website, Facebook and Instagram. You can get in touch, give us a call or send us an email, but it's always good talking to people in person.
Everyone's in it for the passion of motorcycles, so to me that's what it's all about.